Okay, so the tie rod did not fit because I was installing it upside down. I assumed it went in the other way and just didn't even bother to think, oh, it's upside down. So I'm now screwing the tie rod back on, this little piece back on, it locks it, and I will attempt to put it in the right way. I did start the car and turn the wheels a bit to try and make it fit. So I probably wrecked the alignment on this thing, because now I'm not going to really know if it's aligned or not. So we'll see how it works out. There. Now it pretty much goes right in, right? Since it's upside down. You can see how it eagerly goes in the way it should. I would just pay attention. So, try to put this thing in here now with getting it close. Go in a turn. And there. That's pretty darn good. As you can see there, I'm trying to get the new control arm in here, and I can't really get a reading on the camera for you, but trying to get it back in here. Gonna go back one more turn here. Slip it into the steering knuckle. And as you can see, it doesn't really fit all that well. I still got to go back and back and back. A couple of turns. I can't get the camera to focus. There, see how it's going in, but it's not quite correct. So, go back a turn. I suppose once all the ball joints and all that stuff get replaced in this heap. There, that's really good. I'm gonna go with that and call it a day, I think. And if the alignment's off a bit, I guess we'll figure that out later and have to fool around with it. I just can't get the light on down here to work. So now I'm going to put the nut back on. If I can find the socket wrench that has the impact on it, it's this one here. I just bought this socket wrench. It looks like it's 1,000 years old now because it's been thrashed down here in the sand. I bought this socket wrench just for doing this operation. So I'm not sure how many zillion foot-pounds I gotta tighten this thing to. Looks like it's drawing it up now a bit. Boy, I sure can't get a good picture of this headlight in my head in the phone, boy. So I guess, yeah, the wonder cars cost a fortune to fix. It's not easy work. Just to get a tie rod in this thing. Probably 3 hours doing this because I don't know what I'm doing. seems like I'm spinning this thing. It's not doing anything. Boy, that's really bad. So I probably damaged this thing by doing it wrong. And now it's not going to go in. It's close. I'm probably going to pound this thing in here now to make it stick. And of course, that's not going to work. Maybe it's worth $500 getting this done or something. It's not for the faint of heart. Or $200 or $300, whatever ungodly amount this would cost. Yeah, so it's just threading and not going in. So I gotta put pressure on this thing to get it to thread. Oh, I hate this. Okay, I got a wrench in here to add upward pressure. Okay, I'm gonna go off cam because I need two hands.